This is the 6th video in the string quilt series from learnhowtoquilt.com. I've given you the directions and handouts for a quilt with a diamond design, but you might want to try something different. When most of my blocks are completed, I put them on the design wall. I like to play around with different settings. I take photos of the layouts that I like, and then later I choose between them. I call this the diamond setting because of the diamonds made by the block's diagonals. Here's a zigzag pattern. I call this design the Zigzag Diamond. When I put up my blocks on the design wall, I noticed a few strips in some of the blocks that I didn't like this darker gold strip here. No problem. I can just cut this out. I could rip the seam, but it's not necessary, and then add a new strip. When I decide on my favorite placement, I'm ready to sew my quilt together. In the next video, I'll go over this process. Thanks for visiting learnhowtoquilt.com. Please subscribe to us on YouTube and share our videos with your friends.